In order to convert this plant into the all-new EcoBoost production, it took roughly 1.5 years to realize this project. The good news for Cologne was that the company was willing to invest 134 million euros just into the manufacturing facilities. It definitely is a commitment of the company to the production place Cologne or the country Germany. We installed as much as possible state-of-the-art machinery which is flexible to produce almost everything in an inline engine range. Just to give you an idea about that, we have got a 3-cylinder EcoBoost installation here now, but easily we could convert this into a 4-cylinder engine or something like that. Energy efficiency and I would say environmental issues have been one of the main objectives for the project team. The guys developed various things. Just to give you a few topics. One, for example, is that we have launched here first time a so-called dry machining or minimum quantity lubrication machining for aluminum parts, which is new within the company. We have got for the engine SE line so-called cold tests instead of the conventional hot test facilities which has been used formerly. That does mean the engine does not run in the plant anymore by using fuel in order to do the quality checks. And the equipment we have installed is of a very efficient energy use. Just to give you a number there, we could reduce on a competitive basis the electrical energy consumption by 66%. The plant is equipped in order to run up to 350,000 units a year. And an engine takes 3.5 hours to pass through the entire assembly line. We produce in this factory the standard components, as we say, the 3 Cs, which does mean cylinder block, cylinder head and crankshaft. But we also produce, I say in-house, because the die casting facility also belongs to my area of responsibility. We carved there the front cover for the EcoBoost engine, but what we do in-house as well is we have got an assembly line for the cylinder head, we have got a small assembly area for piston and conrod, and of course the engine assembly. We have been able to reuse former V6 facilities. For example, we reused the V6 block transfer line. We also reused for the cylinder head assembly a former installation from the V6. And we took various machines out of the V6 crankshaft machining line, which have been reworked and are installed now into the new lines. The investment saving because of that was roughly 22 million euros for the project, which is a great success. The engine-related workforce is exactly 870 heads. All the employees went through various technical sessions on the job training, but also team and behavioral training. Just to give you an understanding what amount of money we invested into training, we spent roughly up to now 1.7 million euros in order to perform these trainings. And this resulted in 5,000 man days of training, or that equals 13 to 14 days per employee in the new production line.